In this procedure, we'll inspect the piston seal for a power down, power up jack on a power gear motorized hydraulic leveling system. The tools required for this procedure are a 7/16 inch wrench and a 9/16 inch wrench, or two 9/16 inch wrenches.
So you'll take your wrenches and remove the extend port hydraulic hose. Be ready with your paper towel, because a few drops of hydraulic fluid should leak out. Now, since we have a good view while we're over at the manifold, you should perform the manual override procedure by turning the motor at the top and making sure that your corresponding leg valve is open to this jack. Since that directional valve is always in the retract position, it will create the hydraulic pressure at the bottom of the jack, trying to return the jack to the retracted position, and that will force a little bit of pressure on that hydraulic seal on the inside. If you have more than just a few drops coming out of this from the pressure, then it's a sign that your piston seal is damaged on the inside and it needs replaced. When you're done, replace your hydraulic hose. Use your wrenches, one to hold that hose fitting in place and the other to tighten the hose down.